On this extremely quick Lyft tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to pay for your Lyft rides. So this is super easy to do. All I'm going to do is in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click this icon. I am then going to go to payment. Now, when you initially go to this page, you're not going to see anything. As you can see, I have some stuff blacked out because, of course, I've already entered in my credit card information. But when you first go to your Lyft app, and let's say this is your first time, let's say, ordering a Lyft or whatever, all I'm going to do is click add payment method right there. Then once I do, I have a few different options: bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal, Venmo, or just cash. All I'm going to do is click credit or debit card, enter in my information, and it's that easy. Now, one last thing I want to say, as almost like Lyft 101 tips in case you didn't know, you do not have to have your credit card with you when going out if you're ordering Lyfts. Once you enter in your credit card information on the Lyft app, it's kind of similar to buying something on Amazon, where once it's there, you don't have to have your credit card on you. It's not like you have to have it with you, or let's say when you get in the Lyft, the guy's like, hey, can I check your credit card just to like match it up with the account or anything? No. It's pretty convenient because once your information is in the Lyft app, it's super seamless. You just order the Lyft as normal. You don't ever have to take out your credit card or anything.